man.
How you doing?
We got a surprise for you all today. Batman is getting a change.
I've been out like this all day.
Batman's getting a change.
I love that all black.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, man. Smoke's getting a change too, man. Yeah, man. Getting some new teeth on these babies. Yeah, man.
Beat 'em up, baby.
Put some torpedoes on there.
I get no police rims out there, big ones.
Leave them on there.
I'm gonna wrap the cap. It might be wrapped like
Yeah, man.
oh yeah, you get the chance to look fully under my car now.
Oh no, I take that back. I just gonna do that. That shit ain't dope. These got resonators in it. Those are non-resonators, so it's gonna make it louder.
So that's a dumb job. Them guys got smart words.
Yeah. Okay. And I just realized I still got an itch pipe. I still gonna take it out. I still gonna take that itch pipe, man. I ain't see that.
I paid my shit off for real. And you said that's that middle part,
Yeah,
right?
that's the middle part. You right here? Yeah.
Like you said, we can put that muffler on there while that shit in the house. No, put the black thing on there while you in the house.
Oh, nah, I think we already. You remember this? You had to finish taping?
Yeah. Why'd you put resonating tips on?
I was in a rush to do it. I just wanted to straight pipe it. Yeah, I just off the tips.
Yeah, because you know these resonators, they knock all the sound out.
Right. That's why we put them on.
Get all that good like your seat and fight it down.
We're gonna put some cannons on there. Remember the seat? He said they're gonna quiet you down. Those do.
Those did.
Those do. Oh, these quiet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see the little holes inside
Yeah.
it? It's like a resident.
Yeah. This is.
Keys in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Turn it over.
So you bought.
Have to redo this again. That's going 2.5 pipe to and then it also has to bring the pipe down because of how big it is. Yeah. So it's just slap this on there with a bit of power.
The more you
Then
find
this
out.
will be so far up the side that it won't even match up. And then if you point downwards, it's good. So you have to
Yeah, because we were talking about that last time.
yeah, and we were going 2.5. And then we will go for that to 15 size. So you wouldn't have to build it and after. We would just pump pipe.
You said we were going to trim this.
Yeah. So look at the system and you need a couple people.
But that's how we started. Because you told me you were the one guy was going to work on it.
So let me go, well, that was before we had to do that.
They know what it is.
Okay, so let me give you a total price. Yeah,
They want to do some shit. That's it. Maybe they want to do some shit.
I'm bored.
I know. Look. I'm bored. Yeah. All right. Right. It is only going to be 4 loud cars in the clique now. Me, you, KP, and Dallas.
And nigga with the cat.
But this is the first time coming out. I'm talking about like the original crew.
Oh yeah.
The original crew, yeah. It's only gonna be yeah, and more, but more. I mean, more shit loud. More shit loud. But here.
I wonder how that shit would have sounded on my
With those? No.
I might switch it up, man. I might switch it up into something.
They gotta go on YouTube, right? Then they put my head in there. Little head there.
Shit look like lightning McQueen with black forces on.
Alright. Hold on. I see what's really hard to back. So you don't have to cut this one, like a plastic part.
If you want the space. Because if not, I'd get it as close as I could. But if you stay right here, you can see what it would look like in the side here. So you gotta.
So they'll be sticking out like this.
Yeah, if not, I can always get it so close before I fill in the gap in the bottom.
As soon as you cut,
So that's how they look once you cut it.
It would, yeah. I'd maybe. When you go ahead and bring it down, and we'll height and then put it right there. But yeah, it's just not, these things are so deep. Even if you came close to here, you should be on.
I want to stick out. I mean, I want to like, they gonna stick out.
Let me bring it down and get a little closer.
Oh, so I said that I was gonna bring Moparnocar. So this is not a full circle.
the vehicle, those are rear bumpers. Took the rear bumpers off and then rear
Right, got it.
ass. Watch you do some dumb shit. I knew it.